Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two innovative cleaning solutions from iRobot, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. Let's dive into the features and benefits of these products and see which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to cleaning, both the Braava Jet M6 and the Roomba Combo J5 Plus have unique capabilities. The Braava Jet M6 is designed for mopping and can efficiently clean multiple rooms and larger spaces. It navigates around objects and under furniture, making sure every corner is covered. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus not only vacuums but also mops. It offers the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7 Plus and can convert into a vacuum and mop solution with a simple switch of the bin. So, if you're looking for a versatile cleaning solution, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus might be the one for you. Both the Braava Jet M6 and the Roomba Combo J5 Plus feature advanced navigation systems. The Braava Jet M6, with its VSLAM navigation, learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps. This enables it to clean in neat, efficient rows, ensuring thorough coverage. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus, with its advanced navigation and 2 cleaning passes, also cleans in neat rows for a wall-to-wall clean without missing a spot. It knows where to clean and what to avoid, making sure it doesn't get tangled in cords or knock over pet bowls. So if you value precise navigation, both of these products are great options. Now let's talk about personalized cleaning. The Braava Jet M6 offers complete control of your clean with smart mapping. It knows the different areas of your home, allowing you to decide where it cleans and when. You can even set up keep-out zones to avoid sensitive areas. Additionally, the Braava Jet M6 learns your cleaning habits and suggests personalized schedules. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus allows you to vacuum when you want and mop when you want. You can use the added Roomba Combo bin to instantly transform it into a vacuum and mop. It even lets you create no-mop zones to keep your carpets dry. So if you prefer customizable cleaning options, both these products have you covered. Maintenance and pet-friendly features are crucial considerations for many buyers. The Braava Jet M6 offers easy, hands-free mopping with a voice assistant or app command. It can target specific areas within your rooms, making it perfect for tackling spills or muddy footprints. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus also has impressive features, such as automatic bin emptying for up to 60 days, avoiding your pet's waste, and the POOP pet owner official promise that guarantees replacement if it fails to steer clear of your pet's waste. So if you have pets or want hassle-free maintenance, both these products have you covered. Overall, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus have received mixed reviews from customers. Some reviewers have praised the Braava Jet M6 for its easy setup and integration with other devices, as well as its mopping capabilities. However, there have been complaints about the durability of its physical components and the cost of disposable pads. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus has been appreciated for its versatile cleaning abilities, pet-friendly features, and automatic bin emptying. However, there have been concerns about the mapping and navigation functionalities. It's important to consider these factors and your specific needs before making a purchase. And that wraps up our comparison between the iRobot Braava Jet M6 and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. Both these products offer unique features and impressive cleaning capabilities. The Braava Jet M6 excels in mopping and personalization, while the Roomba Combo J5 Plus combines powerful vacuuming with mopping capabilities. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter buying decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next one.